Design 911 is committed to providing you with original replacement parts, upgraded parts, and in some cases, variations of original parts. As an example of a case where Design 911 can provide you with variations of parts for your Porsche, here in front of me I have a range of different side light repeaters for different Porsches, ranging from 911s, from early 911s to later 911s. So we have early 911, 996, 997 and some 991 side repeaters. And then here are some side repeaters for Panameras and Cayennes. Now, if you're looking for a side repeater for your car, you can either go for an original Porsche replacement, such as the one I'm holding here, like this one, or this one. Alternatively, you could upgrade your Porsche. For example, if you had an early 911 where they were using traditional bulbs and you want to modernize the look of your car, you can modernize the look of your car by upgrading your side repeaters to an LED alternative. In addition to upgrading from a normal light bulb to LED, you can also change the color of your side repeaters. So this is a traditional light bulb side repeater out of a 997. It's a clear lens and it has a yellow bulb in it here. If I just take the bulb holder out, you can see the yellow bulb. With the variety of upgrades that Design 911 provide, if you have a 997, you can swap out your traditional side light repeater for either a clear LED of slightly different styles or a smoked LED, again, different style. All of these lights come as either a static in style, so the LED just flashes, or you can get them in sequential. All of the lights here in front of me, they're E-marked, so they're all legal and compliant with road laws. You won't have any problems passing your MOT with them. In addition, if you are upgrading your lights to an LED system and your car is equipped with CAN-bus, the LED light upgrade comes pre-equipped with a resistor to trick the CAN-bus system in thinking a normal light bulb is attached, so you won't get any light errors thrown on your dash. This really is a really nice, quick and simple way to upgrade and personalize your Porsche to meet your style. If you don't believe me, we're going to take a few of these lights and now install them on one of our cars. So here we have a 997 with its original from factory side indicator. And what we're going to do is we're going to install this LED conversion, clear LED conversion. This is a static light, and we've then also got another one, which is again an LED conversion, but this is smoked and is a step light. So this is going to kind of progress as the indicator goes on. So to change them out, we have to do is just pull this out and then undo the bulb connector here. You don't actually have to take this plug off. All you have to do is twist it to remove that bulb from the lens. Then take the bulb out by just sliding it out, and then get your new lens. So this is the clear one, and then insert this spade into this socket. If nothing happens, it's because the spade is the wrong way around. So let's take that and let's just rotate this. So there we go. That's the right way. We've got some life. So install that into there. That's now flashing. Nice. And then what you want to do is put this bayonet fitting back in. This goes a certain way. You can see there's two lugs. There's a bigger lug and a smaller lug. So you have to align those with the right holes. So that goes in here, like that, and then you rotate it again to lock it off. So that's the clear lens installed. Repeat the process for the smoked. As you can see, they're super easy to install. It really is like a 5-minute job. You could get online, order your new side repeaters, get them in the post and head straight out and fit them. No tools needed. Let's go do another side light repeater upgrade. So we're here with the 718 Cayman, and this is a genuine indicator side repeater. And here I have got one of the other options, which also replicates the look of a genuine indicator side repeater. So we're going to install this one first. So this side repeater it's a genuine look, but as you can see, this is a sequential light. So it starts at the front and it works its way back, whereas this one was just a stepped repeater. That is one of the many different varieties that you can style your Porsche with. Let's have a look at some of the others. So if you're interested in either upgrading your Porsche's lights to maybe LEDs or stylizing your Porsche by changing the color of its side repeaters, if you head to design911.com, in the top bar, if you enter your vehicle model and type, and then in the left-hand navigation menu, go to lighting, you'll then be presented with a grid of lots of different lighting options. If you scroll through this grid until you get to side repeaters, you'll then see all the relevant side repeaters suitable for your car. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with the team at Design911. You can either call them, email them, or use the chat function on their website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.